A salad spinner is a useful kitchen gadget for washing and drying lettuce quickly. To use one, start by chopping or tearing the lettuce into smaller pieces. Then remove the basket from the salad spinner bowl and place the lettuce in the bowl to rinse it. Transfer the rinsed lettuce into the basket, allowing any excess water to drain, and dump the water from the bowl. Repeat this process if you notice the water you're pouring out is dirty. Once the lettuce is sufficiently clean, keep it in the basket and place a dry paper towel on top to absorb more moisture if you'd like. Put the basket of lettuce back inside the empty bowl. Secure the lid and spin the lettuce using the knob, string, pump, or handle, depending on the type of salad spinner you have. If the lettuce is still wet, drain the water collected in the bowl and spin the lettuce again. Finally, prepare the washed lettuce in a salad or other recipe, or store it in the fridge for later. After using the salad spinner, wash the bowl and basket with soap and water, and clean the lid if necessary. If the salad spinner is dishwasher safe, you can also put it in the dishwasher to get it clean for the next use.